Hello class, welcome to week 5. This week our two topics will be site design guidelines and credit card payments. So we'll start with site design guidelines. This is really to help you get the basics and to get you started on project 2 and designing your website. I recommend these readings particularly excuse me, if you have not designed a website in the past. It helps you get the basics to help you understand where you need to be in 2019 for website essentials, what consumers are looking for. And then what you'll do for this assignment is to go find two websites that have your same business model. Two websites that you like that have been successful, and then you'll pull from elements from their website to decide how you want to build yours. So for example, I have a website here that I've always admired, which is Apple. A very clean layout, the navigation bar across the top. They get you right to what they want you to do, which is buy a product. So that's the first thing you see. You don't see something that typically is essential for a website, and that's a tagline or a brief explanatory sentence. Apple is so well known across the world, all they need is their logo and everyone knows who they are. Since your business will not be that well known right when you start, you'll want a tagline or some explanatory sentence that says who you are and what you offer. But I like the clean layout and how they just take you right to what they want you to see. I think that's an effective website model. Now that might not work for your business model. Just an example I pulled from, but that's what we want you to do, is to go out there and find the successful websites that run your same model and decide what you can pull from. And then in a Word document, you will provide URLs of 2 of the websites you found and list 5 similarities. Answer this question: why do you think they have those similarities? And then list one of those, choose one that would be a good pattern for your site and explain why you think it's a good pattern, and then go a little bit more in depth, find 4 pages on the site that you would include in yours and talk a little bit about why you would include those. Make sure your essay is double spaced, 1-inch margins, uses a 10 to 12 point font. And that'll be it for that assignment. And then you will have a discussion board on that same topic. The first post will be due February 6th, and then the follow-up response is February 8th. That will take us to credit card payments. And this one focuses on PayPal. I know there's Swipe and other common payment methods out there. You may or may not be using PayPal for your website, but either way, this is such a crucial skill to have for an online business, to know how to generate a PayPal button, how to add it to your site. So we'll go through that process. You can go ahead and watch the video. That'll walk you through a little bit about the PayPal basics. And then the assignment is to go to the website, create a button type that works for your business, and then copy the code from the button and paste it onto the document. So we're looking for that code. It's called a code snippet, and you're going to cut and paste that into the document, and then identify at least 3 questions you need to have answered to know if the button would really work for your business. And that activity, that's really a good skill to have overall when you're doing something new to your website or trying out a new technology for your site. You want to consider what questions you'll have about that element, try and anticipate barriers before you reach them. And that will be about it. You'll have the discussion board on credit card payments, first post due on the 8th, follow-up replies due on the 10th, and then your weekly reflection, of course, will be due. The student feedback to instructors is an important element. I make changes every semester based on the feedback I get from students, so I really value this feedback. If you have a moment to give feedback, I'd love to hear the things that you like, the things you don't like, the things that you'd like to see, maybe something I could do more of or less of that would make this a better experience for you.